Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nice Guy, and in this video you'll learn how to perform conversion of units. The first thing I'm going to tell you is you don't have to remember when to times and when to divide, but instead you should remember how the final answer should be. How the final answer should be. For example, a question can give us 1 meter is equals to 0.001 kilometer. Then they give us a length of a torpedo, let's say is 6.9 meter, and ask us to convert this into kilometer. So in this case, we need to take 6.9 times 0.001 to get 0.0069 kilometer. So far, so good. But what if the question gives us 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter? Then the times method will fail, because if we take 6.9 times by 1000, we will not get our answer. So this time round, we will have to divide 6.9 by 1000 in order for us to get our 0.0069 kilometer. So clearly, we should not rely on hard memorization, since this will fail us if the question is phrased differently. Instead, we need to learn that when we are converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, our answer should be smaller. The value in front of the unit should be smaller. And when we are converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, our answer should be larger. So when we are converting from meter to kilometer, and you take 6.9 times by 1000, you will get 69,000, which is bigger than 6.9. You will know that you did something wrong. Because when you are converting from meter to kilometer, or from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, your answer must be smaller than the original. So since times doesn't work, you just have to do the reverse, which is divide. And behold, you will get the answer. Ta-da! If you cannot remember this rule, then just use a type of unit conversion which you know, such as 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. You are converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Your answer in front of the prefix or the unit will be bigger. And the reverse is true. From a smaller unit to a bigger unit, your answer should be smaller. This is a very general rule and will apply in every situation. The reason why this works in every situation is this. At the end of the day, it is just a conversion. So the absolute value is still the same, meaning 6.9 meter is equals to 690 cm, which is equals to 6.9 meter. So the absolute value does not change. 6.9 meter is still 6.9 meter. So when we are converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, the unit has increased, so the number in front of the unit needs to be decreased or become smaller in order for there to be a balance. Unit increase, number decrease, so that the absolute value does not change. Let me give another example. Let's say a breast cancer cell is 69 micrometer, and I want you to convert this into meter. What we are doing here is converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So the answer needs to be smaller. Because it is micro, we know that it is related to 10 to the power of negative 9. So let us try to divide 69 by 10 to the power of negative 9 first. And we will get a humongously large number. This is clearly not the answer because it is bigger than 69. So what we should do is just do the opposite, which is multiply 69 by 10 to the power of negative 9. So you get 0.0000 whatever 69, which is smaller than 69. Hence, this will be our answer. Haha. Finally, if you need to find how many times bigger is one object when compared to the other, make sure that they are the same unit before you do the comparison. For example, if you want to find how many times larger is a torpedo when compared to a breast cancer cell, what we need to do is to take 6.9 divided by the 0.00069, and we will get 100,000,000 times. Yeah. And this is all for this video. Hopefully you will learn how to find whether you need to times or divide by being aware of the magnitude of the final answer. Magnitude means how big or how small your answer should be.